Hello my people, I want to share with you today a case study. You can see I am on WhatsApp and that's one of my subscriber and who apply my strategy about paper call, and this dude make some money and he just find my number and try to reach me just to say thank you. Let me read for you guys. This guy made over $300 just by following my strategy about paper call, and now he's making money. He said, "Hi, Mr. Sylvester. This is Antobi. How are you? I am one of your YouTube subscriber." And I say, "Okay, how are you? How can I help you?" That's me. And he said, "I'm fine, and you?" And he continued to say, "You are the person who inspires me to do affiliate marketing, especially being an affiliate of Market Call. I created an account successfully and promoting offers right now. Thank you for helping me realize that." That's him. So let me continue. And I asked him, "Did you make money?" He said, "Yes." And I asked him, "Which platform you use?" He said, "Market Call." And I say, "Congrats. Keep watching my videos. How much you make so far?" That's my question. And he sent this screenshot you see on the screen. Let me click on the screenshot for you guys. You can see the screenshot. He make over $351. And what is very interesting is not using even any paid advertising method. And I say to him, "Bravo." And he asked me, "Could you help me please withdraw that money?" And I said, "You make me feel proud of me, because you are making money using my method." And he said, "They asked me to fill out Tipalti form because now you want to get paid. There is an option on Market Call. You have to fill out the form of Tipalti to get paid." So you see, and I say, "Yes, you have to do that." He say, "Yes, something about tax." And I say, "How much you spend to make this money? And what traffic I teach did you use?" He say, "To tell you sincerely, no money. I just use free traffic method." And I say, "Congrats." And I say, "What traffic method again?" He say, "Writing emails to people." So he just sent email to people. And he said, "I use Hercules. Hercules, I don't know what that is, but it's one of his methods he used to get traffic to send email to people." And he said he used Facebook group. This is a platform that you can use to send emails. And I asked him, I can share it with my student. He was disconnected when I just sent this text. He said, "I'm so sorry, I was disconnected." And he said, "Yes, you can." And I say, "Thank you. What did you do to withdraw the money?" This is what the question he asked me. And I say, "I always answer your question. I will always answer your question." I say, "Use Pioneer to create an account to withdraw your money." I say, "Can I have a picture of you to use in my video of proof?" So that's him, this guy making money using my method. He made so far 300. If we go up, he made $351. So guys, if you hesitate to take my training, so for the Mother's Day, the training is only $100. I need only 20 people to take the training. The link will be on the description. Only 20 people for 100 only for the training. Guys, it was just a case study I just share with you because I want you to be inspired and to be motivated to make money.